In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Maps effectively, whether you're planning a trip, trying to find a location, or simply exploring your surroundings. These steps will guide you on how to efficiently use Google Maps for your needs. To start off, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google's main page. Once there, type Google Maps into the search bar. From the search results, click on the link for Google Maps. This is Google's web-based map service that is designed to offer detailed geographical information and directions. With Google Maps open, you should see a search bar at the top of the page. This search bar is your tool for finding locations, businesses, and attractions. For our demonstration, let's say you want to find Citizens Bank. Start by typing Citizens Bank into the search bar and press enter. You'll notice that Google's map immediately refreshes, and if Citizens Bank is within your search range, it'll be highlighted on the map with a red pin. Click on this highlighted area to get more detailed information about the bank's location, such as the address, contact details, and operating hours if available. If you need directions, look for the blue route icon that appears once you select the location. Clicking it will prompt you to enter your current location or any starting point. Enter this information and Google will calculate a route for you, offering different travel methods like driving, public transportation, walking, or biking. Choose your preferred travel method for turn-by-turn directions. For more options, often after selecting a business or location, you'll see a sidebar that includes reviews,